Welcome to Redmi Note 8 SIM card and SD card installation. First, power off the phone. Use eject tool and pop out the card tray. SIM card tray is on left side. Now you can insert two SIM card and one SD card into the phone at the same time. Into the phone. Now insert the card slot into the phone and power on the phone. Now wait for network. Hope you will like our video and subscribe our channel, and you can get more information about mobiles and mobile technology. Thank you. Now you can see the network. Thank you. Hope you will like our video.